Hi, today we're going to be making a perfect salad for the fall season. I hope you enjoy.
Hi guys, my name is Lindsay Brooks and I'm a UNF dietetic intern here. So today we're going to be making an autumn salad. So we're going to make a salad and then we're going to make a dressing. So first we're going to make a pomegranate vinaigrette. The great thing about vinaigrettes is they're easy. You typically can just dump in a bowl and whisk, or you can have a jar, you can just shake it up. So first we're going to start with the pomegranate. It's about a fourth cup. And then we're gonna go into olive oil. Olive oil is like one of the best oils, I swear, it's like my favorite. So we're gonna do about 1 tablespoon because you can use it to stir fry, you can use it in dressings, and you can use it in marinade. So it's a really versatile oil. And then we're gonna go into the Dijon mustard. You don't need much, but it's kind of up to you when it comes to salad dressings, you know, flavors that you really like. So if you're a big Dijon mustard person, you do as much as you like. Then we have apple cider vinegar. So we have a little apple cider vinegar. And that just gives it a little bit of tang. And then we're gonna do a little bit of sugar. And then next everything else is just really just seasoned to taste. So we're gonna take a little bit of garlic powder. I like garlic, so it's one of my favorites. A little ginger, so it's gonna give you, ginger kind of has that thing where it gives you a little bit of heat. I'm gonna do a little bit of that. Salt. And then you can use sea salt, you can use table salt, Himalayan salt, so whichever one you like. And then lastly, we're gonna do black pepper. So black pepper is one of my favorite seasonings. I put it on everything. It just adds so much flavor. So I'm gonna do a little bit more black pepper. So after that, all you need to do is just take your whisk, or if you have a jar, and I like to hold it at an angle a little bit because it kind of helps give you a little bit of leverage when you're mixing. So we're gonna mix it so everything's well incorporated. And then that's your vinaigrette. Okay, so after we've made the salad dressing, vinaigrette, we're gonna go into making the salad. So the salad is gonna have spinach, and then it's gonna have apples, pears, and red onions. So I went ahead and already cut up my red onions. So we're just gonna slice the apples. You can use any apple that you would like to use. Honey Crisp is like a favorite. Honey Crisp is a little bit of a sweeter apple. So, and guys, I am not a chef, so don't judge my knifing skills. So, I just try not to cut myself. So after you cut some apple, you can cut them as thin as you would like. I'm gonna cut a little bit more. So you can use Honey Crisp if you like green apples and you want a little bit more of a sour taste. You can do that also. So there's an apple, and we're gonna do the pears. I really love pears. Pears are, around September is when you start seeing pears. They're technically in season now. So there's so many different ways that you can actually cook pears. So it's a great fall addition. So next we're gonna take the spinach. We're gonna add it to the bowl. And you can use any green you like. You can do a mixture, you can do spring mix, you can do kale, you can do whatever kind of green you want, romaine or anything like that. It's really up to you and what your favorite items are. So we're gonna add the apples and the pears. Then we're gonna take the red onion and we're gonna sprinkle. Again, red onion is an acquired taste. So if you want fewer red onions or you wanna do a sweet onion or anything like that, you're free to switch this recipe up and do that also. So get all this red onion. And then I love toppings, and you can really, salad is great to play around with toppings and kind of learn what flavors you really like. So I have cranberries, and then you can always do more cranberries. And then I have sunflower seeds, I'm sorry. And so I wanted to have pumpkin seeds, but sunflower seeds is a great option if you don't have pumpkin seeds. So they're very similar, so it's up to you what type of seed you like. I like a little bit. All right, and then glazed pecans. And you can actually make your own glazed pecans. I just decided to buy them from the store. So if you would like to make your own and you have a really cool recipe that you like to use, you can do that. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt and pepper, just for taste. You can really play around with the flavors of a salad. It's really just a time for you to actually feel a little bit more culinary. All right, and then that's how you assemble the salad. So now that the salad is assembled, you can now pour your dressing on top. Now you don't have to put your dressing on top and toss it. You can put it to the side or put it in a bottle or a jar to save for individual serving. But I just want to do a little bit more of a whisk, because sometimes the oil and everything separates a little bit. So you want to whisk it just a little bit, and then you can just take the salad dressing and pour it right on top. And then using tongs or however you want to do it, you can take and you can mix your salad. This is a great way to get some veggies in and to try different flavors, and it's great, full of fall flavors. So after you toss it, if you realize you want some more toppings, you can feel free to add more. If you feel like, hey, I want a little bit more dressing, you can make some more dressing. So like I said, this assembly is really up to you. So after you toss your salad and you feel like everything is covered well, you can get you a bowl, a plate. Today we have boats. And then I'm just gonna assemble a little bit right here. Little toppings on them. Put a little red onion. And then you have your salad. This looks so good.